increase, be multiplied. I feel like that scripture is hitting a little extra hard this morning. How's everyone doing? I hope you all are doing well this morning. I hope you are, I don't even know what to say at this point. I didn't get to finish up the rest of the vlog yesterday because I was just doing a bunch of things yesterday. I did a lot of driving, and then Sunny and I were supposed to get on live, and I got caught up being like almost 2 hours away from home. So then when I finally got home, it was after 8 o'clock. And yeah, so make sure you guys check out the live this evening.
My boyfriend or my family, but
it's real easy to start doing something.
It's so easy, especially like as a as a creator, like when you're really in the zone and you're just like, oh, and like, you know, ideas start popping in your head. It's so hard to get out of that like space.
That creative space.
Yeah, because when it's there, girl, you gotta take advantage of it.
Because when it's like you trying to find it, it's like, where is my flow? I feel so unmotivated.
Exactly.
I'm tired.
But yeah, sorry if this vlog is not that long, but I just wanted to kind of have it like more in real time. Getting the office perfected today. Let's take a look at it. So as you guys seen in the last vlog, this is pretty much all we have in the office at the moment. It's not a lot going on in here, but we have a chair. We have our desk. We have pretty much all of our lights, but we are missing 2 lights, which I will go pick up today. We have our desk and working area desk, and we have our tripod, and I already have my cameras and stuff. And honestly, one of my favorite parts of this closet so happens to be the inside, because I kind of set it up like this, and it's like pretty dope. I mean, it has all of my equipment just out. It's accessible, you know, I can get to it. I put the chargers in this drawer over here, and yeah, I probably will start using backdrops again, but all of my backdrops are located at my dad's house, so that will just be something I have to pick up another day. So I will not be going that way today. And then my tripod, my backdrop stand is at my dad's too, and probably some other little mirrors and things that I used to film with heavy, so are still at the apartment, so I have to go grab that another day. But for the most part, once we get the lights from the other apartment, we will be pretty much ready to rock and roll with filming. The only other thing is I'm trying to figure out what type of background I will have, because if I go back to using just strictly backdrops, I mean, I have, you know, enough room. Look at her. Excuse me. But I do have room for, you know, the backdrop stand and then the backdrop itself. So maybe for the first couple of videos, it may just be a bare white wall for now, till I figure out what we're gonna put behind me. We'll take a look at that as well. Also, I need to go pick up the TV stand. So like I said before, we are mounting the TV on the wall. My mom actually has gifted me a TV stand to mount, not a TV stand, why do I keep saying TV stand? TV mount, there we go. Just gifted me a TV mount. She said it was one they already had for their TV, but I don't think they're mounting their TV anymore. I think they just bought, and they're just gonna get like another TV stand or something. And we need to put the books in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle books, because I'm honestly tired of looking at these boxes. I have been here almost a week. No, I've been here a week now, and not trying to rush myself to move all the way in, but it's like at some point it's like, okay, let me finish up the rest of these boxes so we can take the boxes down to the community dump and get everything situated. So let's go ahead and put these books up. You think I'm leaving you? Calm down. Something about this just feels necessary right now to start reading this 365 Devotions for Peace. This is by Sherry Cowell. What's today? Today is January the 7th, I believe. We know that God causes all things to work together for the good of those who love God and those who are called according to his purpose. That's Romans 8:28. Have you ever played a 2-person game by yourself? The best part of playing by yourself is that no matter how bad things look, no matter which side is winning, you all win. Maybe you wish life was more like the person who plays a game solo. You can control both sides of the playing field. Switching to the other side, you can make a move that would ensure your safety. Better yet, you can know what moves the other side was considering so you could plan your own. The good news is that you have someone who created the playing field and who always makes moves for your safety, your growth, your good. What peace this truth offers. You can be absolutely sure that no matter how bad things look, no matter which side is winning now, God intends good and not harm for you in the end. So the next time things aren't going your way, remember that the all-powerful, all-loving God is working all sides for your good. So better yet, even if you don't agree, he's still working it out for your good. This is a journal that I've had for 2018. Listen to this. It says, the other night I had a dream about my living arrangements and it showed that I was moving into this wonderful apartment. But the great thing about it was that I had 8 bedrooms, and here's the catch. I was only able to use about 4 of the rooms. The other 4 were these nasty rooms of storage, rundown wallpaper and beds. See, this is why I definitely say please journal, because you can document the way God moves in your life. And this right here just did something for me, reading about a dream about an apartment. 3 years later, I'm in my 2nd apartment. It's just amazing how God will move. I just remember things that I was going through while writing this stuff. It's so crazy. I used to write with this really thick, heavy pen. Do you see? I was not playing when I used to journal. Okay, when I say journal, this just means so much. I'm gonna actually take some time to read through that today, because I don't know. I found another one. I don't know if I wrote in this one or not. This one was my church. Yeah, this was a church notebook. I'm just such a neutral person. It's okay. The fact that I got all these colorful books is bugging me, but it's okay. All right, I actually have another box full of boxes. Full of books. I actually need to find a place for all of my notebooks and stuff. I have a lot of notebooks, all of these. Then I have different journals and stuff. So I just need to find look at her. I just need to find a place for them. I'm gonna stick them right here for now. I hate how it looks, but I just need to get stuff out of boxes. I'm tired of looking at the boxes. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet mama. Oh my goodness. Look at my sweet girl. You're so mean. So I was also thinking about taking this strip light that I actually put around the TV. I was thinking about actually putting this outside. So at nighttime I have a cute little... Top of the morning, everyone. Okay, so yesterday obviously I did not go get my other lights. So today I'm gonna go the lights for the office, and hopefully I can get some stuff situated so maybe I could possibly film today. Quite a bit to do today. I'm just trying to finalize and finally move all the way in. And then I got an email yesterday evening from my landlord at the other apartment, and they were like, hey, we have someone who wants to view your apartment. How does Monday sound at 11? And I'm like, well, right now it's pretty empty because I'm moving stuff out of there. But I'm like, dang, I wish they would have came and viewed it while I had furniture in there so they could kind of see, what it looks like. At some point I'm gonna have to head back to the old apartment and finish cleaning up the rest of the stuff in there. I just need to get the rest of the little stuff out of there, because there's a nightstand that I'm gonna give away, and then I have 2 lamps that I want to bring here, and then everything else is pretty much trash and stuff that I'm using to clean the place. So once I get all of that out of there, then I'm in the clear. Then I can just focus on cleaning, and then I can just focus on piecing out of there for good. And then I can just focus on being here, because I feel like I can't completely move in and just be comfortable here, because it's I feel like I'm in 2 different places, and I don't like that. But I'm getting ready to go put some clothes on so I can go get my other lights. I need to go get my plants. I need to go get my tall lamp. Okay, so I finally got the lamp and the other 2 film lights. So I'm gonna put those in the film room, and then we're gonna set up this good old lamp. So let's go ahead and do that. And that was Squeal. Hi, Hi, Mama. Hi, sweet Mama. Hi, my girl. Oh my dirty to your mom. Huh? You do it dirty to your mom. Alright, you guys, okay, so I ended up putting the lamp here. I just know I wanted a lamp or something here. I don't know, y'all tell me what you think. Then on this side, I did this little plant. I highly doubt this will stay. I know for a fact this one's not gonna stay here. I just put this one here for now. More than likely, this one will probably go in my film room because I just gotta have some greenery somewhere. So I need one for in here and either this room or my film space. I mean my bedroom. Dang, it's cold out here today. Look at him. Go and get your fresh air, boo-boo. But anyway, I need to find me like a cute little rug out here. I cannot wait until it gets warm. Now this is, all right, y'all. This is the light that I was talking about. It's the same strip light that I done had. Hold on, let me get some shoes before I go out here. So what I was thinking, you guys. So I was thinking, since I have a plug literally right here, so the light can go on this side. Dang, shut my hand up in here. I mean, it's daytime, so you can't see them that well, but I figured they could wrap around this. So remind me, y'all, to show you later. But you know, just to kind of have the lights out like that. This part right here gonna drive me crazy. Cause you know I want it to, oops, I done messed it up. Cause I want it to like go in sync and be the same way the whole way across. But that's pretty much that. I think that'll be cute. So you'll see it more at nighttime. Come on, Avery.
Are you having fun? Look at my girl. Hi, sweet mama. Hi, sweet butt. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet girl.
Y'all, one of my daggone softbox lights is not working. I guess I haven't used it in so long it done gave out on me. I don't know. This one over here works. Let's check the fuse. The fuse could be the issue. Dang, it's not cutting on at all. What am I gonna do? I know it's not the outlet because I plugged in that other light. I know it's not that. Possibly, or it could be the fuse in it. I don't know. I haven't used them all year long. I maybe have used them twice or maybe 3 times max.
Oh, they've been at your dad's house?
No, they've been at my house, just in that storage closet, just wrapped up, just chilling. That's what I'm saying. I haven't been using them, so I'm just like, well, yeah. It could be the fuse. I'm gonna check the fuse in this one to see if it looks different than the other one. That's one thing I've never checked in these things is the fuse, but they've always worked. This one went out too. I took the fuse out to check it to see if it looked like this one. And I put it back in, try to cut it off, now it's not gonna.